Hello and welcome back to another vacuum cleaner review. Today we have a really special vacuum cleaner, one that I'm really excited to show. It is this guy right here, Electrolux Z36. Now, as you can probably tell, this vacuum cleaner is extremely old. In fact, it's from 1942. So it's really old. And today we're gonna test it and see if it still holds up. So let's take a closer look. Yeah, so here it is. You have the traditional Electrolux logo right there in a nice metal finish. You can see it a little up close there. Really nice. Of course, it's old. And then you have this leather facade here. Or facade, I don't know how you say it. And a leather strap. Metal, the rest, I think aluminum. And down here we have, I don't know. Now what's unique about this one, you can see there's some straps here. So you can sort of open it up. And see if I can get it off. God damn it. See, I got it earlier. Is that another strap? Oh, there we go. Okay. So the thing about this vacuum cleaner is it doesn't have the traditional bag. It has like this, like a, I don't know. It's like it looks like it feels like a sock or something, like that kind of material, which is very unique. You don't see that nowadays, because it's old. You know, it's from 42. So there you have it. Really cool historical piece, this one. So let's just put it back together. Hopefully I don't damage any of the parts. I'm gonna try to put it back together here with one hand. God, how do you do this? Should we put it there? Okay. I'm gonna fix this off camera. Now, obviously, I don't expect anyone to actually using this thing. It's just funny to look at. But I'm gonna measure it anyway, so you know what it's like. Yeah. So let's see. First time I measure it actually, so you get my live reaction. What's that about there? I don't even know. Let's say approximately, I don't know, what is it? 45 in length. Sorry if I'm not accurate, but that's the way it is. And about 15 in the width. So a very peculiar thing here. So both the longest in length and also the shortest in width of a vacuum cleaner we've seen so far. Then we got these things here. I don't know, what do you call this? Mouthpiece? I don't know. But anyway, you know what it is. It's the thing on the end of the vacuum cleaner. They're all full metal, except for that one. But we'll get to that one. This one is for for carpet. So, yeah. Very interesting. It's very different from what we see nowadays. And then we have this one, which looks kind of like the ones we see nowadays, but this one is for, you know, corners and stuff. And this one, with look at this, it's got like, it's made for cleaning shoes or something, but in fact it's made for something like this, tiled floor or something. So yeah, that's it. And one last thing, the start button. It's this little thing. It's like broken off. I don't want to touch it because, yeah, I could get like electric shock or something. But that's basically it. back and forth. It's turned on right now, so I'm just gonna turn it off and on the switch. Yeah, so obviously we're gonna do the noise test now. Yeah, it only has one like mode, which is just standard power. So let's see how it goes. That's actually pretty good. Average rating, but I think for an old vacuum cleaner, it was pretty good. It says something about the Vampire, which we reviewed last time. That was quite noisy. Like, they can't make it better than they did like 70 years ago or so. Okay, for the floor test, we're going to be using this one, for the tile floor. So just a sec. I'll put this on. Oh, you might want to see me put it on, probably. Well, it's quite simple. You just sort of plug it in. Oh, sorry about that. So, yeah, like that. It's very simple. Okay, we're ready. Okay, so as usual, you just put a little bit of floor. Like that. And, yeah. We're ready. Okay, let's see if we got it. Let's see. I hope this is gonna work. Okay, let's try that and hope everything goes fine. All right, let's go. It did fine. There's no point in me showing you a clean floor, but it did fine. It was a little slow, but it's impressive that a machine from 42 still works so well. Let's do the carpet now. There we go. Just gonna go. Nice, nice. Get it deep down there. I just put the other one on, but it was just the same as the other one. Oh my God! This is yeah. I want you to take a look at this. I want you to see this. Okay, so that was the Z36 from Electrolux from 1942. I'm surprised it still worked. It didn't do so well in the carpet test, but nonetheless, it's an old vacuum cleaner, so what can you expect, really? Anyway, you can see my score right here. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe and all that jazz, and well, I might see you later, who knows, if you like vacuum cleaners.